Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the news on the Bybit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, all you have to do is just pulling down to refresh the page, and here you are going to find another section. Here you can find discover section, with all of the news. If you tap on the headlines, you can check out the announcements, the news section. Here you can find the relevant ones. If you are interested in one of them, just simply click on it and you will be able to read about the news in more details and in depth. If you go back, you can also check out videos, signals, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.